Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you are new though, what's up? Again, this is going to be another part of the declutter series for my makeup. Yes, I am using a filter on Snapchat because my face is not it. Today, we are going to be doing the primers and like setting sprays kind of drawer. Since all of the products are just kind of everywhere in these drawers, what I'm going to do is go through the drawer, take everything out of this drawer for the primers and setting sprays. And I do my best to try to look through the rest of the drawers and make sure I'm not missing anything. For the most part though, I think primers are basically in this drawer. I did notice that some drawers I can't even get into, so that's fun. Those drawers will obviously be done too, and I'm just going to take out everything that's in those drawers that are kind of just like keep all drawers. Is what they had turned into. For the most part, I'm just going to take everything out of this drawer for the primers, setting sprays, look through the drawers that I can look through, and then do the declutter with you guys. I'm obviously taking out any backups or like duplicates of items that I have, and I will mention that too when I get to them. But yeah, let's get on into the primers and setting sprays. Okay, so here is the drawer for my primers and setting sprays. We can just ignore my shoes. They're just sitting there. This is a good example of what the rest of the entire drawers look like, where it's just everything thrown in. This is the drawer for primers and setting sprays, and we have 1,000,005 palettes in here. I'm just going to take these palettes out and see, now we can actually see what this drawer is for. Primers and setting sprays, but so this is the before. So here's all of the primers and setting sprays. There's a lot of boxes here because I do have a lot of e.l.f. backups. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because obviously I'm keeping the backups. They're still newer. I had gotten them when the website was like 50% off of everything. I'm just gonna move them out of the way though, but I love e.l.f. primers. They're some of my favorites. That's why I have a ton of different ones here and I have backups. This green one here is the Blemish Control Face Primer, but it goes on clear. I have two of these, which one is probably gonna get opened. That's why I kind of didn't want to do these first, but it's what's happening. So I'm probably going to end up opening one of each and moving that in because I don't really see any open except for like this one, but we'll get to that in a second. But so these are keeps. Oh, I actually, wow, have 3 of those. I need to use these, which is why I need to open them up. So I have 3 of the Blemish ones. It looks like I have 3 of whatever this one is. This is 3 of the e.l.f. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. It's a neutralizing green, so it's kind of like a color correcting primer when you have like redness in your skin. So I have 3 of those. Those are all keeps as backups. These 2 are the same. These are the Tone Adjusting Face Primer. So this is in Brightening Lavender. So again, this is like a color correcting one. It's just like a skin brightener. 2 of those. Those are keeps. This last box of e.l.f. It's the Poreless Face Primer. This is just a clear primer. I love this. This is one of my all-time faves out of all of them. So that's a keep. These are the only 2 that I have open. I have one of the Tone Adjusting Face Primer and one of the Poreless Face Primer. But let's see if these like actually... Oh, that one has stuff in it, so that one's fine. That's the Poreless Face Primer, so I'm going to keep that one. And this is the Tone Adjusting. This is the purple one. Oh, almost done, but it still has some left in there. Sorry about my phone. These are 2 keeps, so I don't need to open one of these. This is just catching my eye right here. This is the Maron mixing liquid. I use this for like eyeshadows and for like their pigments that are loose. This was only $8. I got this from the Actor's Attic in Dover, Delaware. I love that place. I mention it all the time. Obviously, I'm keeping this. This is great. I haven't really used it that much though. And that's just in here because it kind of had, it didn't like mix with any other like thing. Product. Pretty sure I only have one of these, but do I have one open already? I thought I already had one open. I should kind of get rid of these containers. So I'm just going to pour this out and move it over. This is just an acrylic container that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I think. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I do this especially when my under eyes are really dry. I prime my whole face, but also under my eyes. So I'm going to open this one out of the packaging though, because this is the only one I have, hopefully. Oh, there is one open. I knew it. Like, there's a reason why it's in there, but so I already have one open. I'm pretty sure this still has product in it. Yeah, still has product in it. So I'm going to keep this one and then actually keep this in the box and move it for backup. So this is a newer primer. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Prime Skin Developer. As you can see, it's still closed and everything. I got this from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. This is just for the normal to dry skin. I wanted to try it out. It's Kevyn Aucoin. It was pretty affordable, I'm pretty sure, from TJ Maxx Marshalls. This is a definite keep. And I'm pretty sure that's the only one that I have. Yeah, only Kevyn Aucoin that I have. Another only one that I have is the Burberry Primer. This is the Nude Radiance Fresh Glow Luminous Fluid Base in the color number 1. I think this has a few different colors. The packaging is beautiful. This is a keep. I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, one of those, you know. definite keep. This is another one that's a definite keep. This is the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base Primer. I only have one of these. This one was from TJ Maxx or Marshalls also. This is still newer to my collection, so obviously I'm going to keep it. It's Apricot Haze. I'm going to move some of these sprays. This is the Glam Glow Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray. This I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. There's still a little bit in here. Obviously I'm keeping it. I use this in my TJ Maxx and Marshalls Get Ready With Me videos. Keeping. Wow, we're doing great, aren't we? We haven't gotten rid of anything. This is just a little lid. I don't even know what this is too, so I think I can throw it away. Wow, we got rid of something. This is the NYX Honey Do Me Up Primer. It's supposed to have like gold flakes and honey. It's super sticky, but it's still newer, I guess, to my collection. I guess I'm gonna keep it. I don't really like it that much though, but I just don't want to throw this away. It was pretty pricey for NYX, so I'm gonna keep it. These are another keep because duh, they're almost done anyways. I'm just gonna keep them and finish them out. This is the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Illuminating Highlighters. Why are these in? Okay, well these are keeps. Oh, I know these are in here because I usually don't use them as highlighters. I usually use them mixed in with a primer to make my skin glowy. So I don't use these as an actual primer. But I have one of each color, the 1, 2, and 3. These are keeps. This is actually an empty bottle. This is the Revolution Makeup Revolution Setting Spray. I can't remember what it was about this. I think I just didn't like the spray that this bottle had. This is trash. It's actually empty. I think I was gonna show this in a Makeup Revolution haul just to show that I had gotten it, but it's trash. Woo! One thing away. This is just the Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This is actually empty, but I use this to add more liquid in here for travel. Probably needs to be cleaned out and cleaned off, but I'm gonna keep this. It's empty. I just use it to travel, so it'll be in the back of the drawer. Another highlighter that I don't use as a highlighter. I mix this in again with primer. I actually like the Maybelline better just because it's a little bit more affordable also. I don't know. This is the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's in the color Gleam. It's still a good product. I just think it's kind of pricey. It's only got a little bit left again because I do mix it with primers all over my face. Gonna keep to finish it off. Wet n Wild primers are also some of my all-time favorite because they're super affordable and they're actually amazing. Is this one out? I don't think this one's totally done. I'm gonna add this, I guess, to my everyday makeup, or at least put on the top just to make sure I finish it out. I think that's why I left it in here, because there's like a little bit left. But I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte, and this is the Dewy. Love. Definitely keeping. I feel like I'm actually not going to get rid of anything. I just need to clean out this drawer. This is the e.l.f. Eye Refresh. It's one of those like rollerball things if you have like puffy eyes, and I don't think I've ever used this one because I actually have a different one that I'm using right now by a different company. But it's like cooling. You just rub it on your eye and it like depuffs your eyes, so obviously this is a keep. Let me get rid of this container also. I think I got this container just from like the office section, but I think I had gotten from either Bed Bath & Beyond or Walmart, but I used some of these too. This right here, I don't even honestly know what this is. It's e.l.f. something. It's gotta be a primer, right? I kind of want to throw it away because like I just don't even know what it is. I don't remember when I bought it. I'm gonna throw it away. Sorry. I don't even know what that is, honestly. These are the Milani Prime Light and Prime Shield Primers. This one is the strobing and pore minimizing. This one is the mattifying and pore minimizing. So you got strobe, like if you want like a dewy highlighty look, and this is the matte. You know, basically the same deal as the Wet n Wild ones, but I do like Milani as well. These are going to be keeps. These were kind of pricey also. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Sheer Sun. It's a serum bronzer. This should actually probably be in a different drawer. The only reason I keep it in this drawer is because it's something I would put again under my foundation, like mixed in with a primer to make it more glowy and everything, but it's like you shake it up and then it's like a liquid. This is still a newer item to my collection. I don't think I've even used it yet. So I'm going to keep this because I'll probably use it in like a TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Get Ready With Me because that's where I got it from. So keep these two sprays right here. Is this empty? This is basically empty, so I could probably throw this bottle away. But another one of my all-time favorite setting sprays is the Wet n Wild one, mainly because it's affordable. It works. I love this spray. The packaging could be smaller, but what are you gonna do? I love these, repurchase all the time. I like cannot run out of these because they're so good. These are keeps for sure, but I'm gonna throw this black bottle away because it's empty. I don't know why I have it. This little one right here, this is the NYX Renew something. This is actually still in the packaging, but obviously I got it on clearance. I think this is like a color correcting primer maybe, but obviously I'm gonna keep it because it's still new. I can't get the package off it, but I'm gonna keep it. I haven't even tried it yet. This is the Physicians Formula Face Primer. It's the Insta Ready one. This one I don't like. I don't know why I kept it. I think it's because I just felt bad throwing it away. Can you even lock this lid? If you can lock the pump, I might keep the pump, but at the same time, like, why? I just really didn't like the formula. If I remember right, I think it balled up on my face because it didn't mix well with like my moisturizer. So I'm gonna throw this one away. gonna say goodbye to it. But I didn't pay a crazy amount for that because I know Physicians Formula can get pretty pricey. I think I had gotten that on like super sale when it was like buy something, get it 75% off. So I don't feel too bad, and I've had it for a while. This one right here is empty. I'm pretty sure. Let's just double check. Oh, there's some left in there actually. I didn't like this primer at first, but now I do really like it. Oh, it just makes your skin feel so good. This is the L'Oreal Magic Illumi Light Infusing Primer. I'm gonna keep this and just use up a little bit of it. There's probably like maybe that much, if that. So I'm just gonna put this on top and I'm gonna keep it. L'Oreal Paris, this is the Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. It's the anti-redness one. I don't know why they called this a BB cream because this is a primer. I would never walk out the door with just this on because it will leave your skin looking green. It's supposed to transform to the universal shade to reduce the look of redness, but it still leaves your face looking green and sickly because it's trying to color correct the redness. I like it. It's a good primer. I like the consistency of it. I'm going to keep it, obviously. I just need to like use it. These I'm really torn about. These are the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Primer. This one minimizes lines and pores for a smooth finish, and this one is the Ultralight Formula Prolongs Makeup Wear Even Skin Tone. These I like to travel with, and they were, look, only $1 from Walmart. I think what I'm going to do is just narrow it down to 3 of each, so that means we're going to throw away 2 of these just because clearly I have too many, but I do like to travel with these, so we'll keep them for travel, but I'm going to throw away 2 just because I feel like it's excessive, yeah? So you can kind of ignore that to the side, but this is what we have left. This is the, oh, Butterfingers, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. That's just their makeup extender setting spray. This is the little mini one that I love. I use this to travel. It's actually empty. I just pour in, you know, the setting spray that I'm using because I love the spray on it. It's super travel friendly. It's perfect size to travel. So I'm going to keep it. Like I said, it's empty. This is the Shop Miss A, the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. I actually love this primer, and I think it was only $1 if I'm not mistaken. I used this in that video for the Shop Miss A makeup. I like it, so it's a keep. This is something, again, that is from e.l.f. that doesn't have product name on it, but this is like a shimmery primer, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I knew it was gonna be super liquidy. I think you kind of have to like mix it together, kind of, or like shake it first. But like because of that, I never reach for it. Oh, it's on the lid. Was the other thing on the lid? Where did I throw that? Wow, the other thing was on the lid. It's, oh, it just says clear. Okay, never mind. And this one just says illuminating. It's basically the same deal as the Milani and Wet n Wild one. I just don't like how runny it is like that. So I'm gonna throw this one away because obviously I never use it for that reason. Sorry. These are like highlighters, but I use these again mixed in with primers to make my skin glowy and nice. And these two are the Makeup Revolution Unicorn Elixir and Luminous Gold. I want these in literally every color because I love them. These are supposed to be a dupe for the Cover FX ones, and they're super affordable. So like I said, this one is the Unicorn Elixir, and this one is in it's a liquid, luminous, and gold. Love. These are keeps. I need every color of these. And lastly in here, this is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. I think these again are supposed to kind of be dupes for the Cover FX ones because it's like everyone did something similar to that. But these actually have brushes, which are not really my favorite thing, but again, I put these on my skin and then mix them with the primer. So these are keeps. I do like them. I just wouldn't purchase any more of them just because of the brush, how you apply them, but they're nice. I think they do the job. They're not the best, but I'm gonna keep these and finish these up. I think I did okay. These are all of the ones I'm getting rid of, so it's what, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that I'm getting rid of. This is a true transformation if I've ever seen one. This is what the drawer is looking like right now. With going through the rest of the drawers, if I do need to move stuff around, that's gonna happen since this drawer is like pretty empty. But yeah, for now, this is... So that is all of my primers and setting sprays all decluttered out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe it inspires you to declutter your stash or even declutter anything in your home that maybe you got a little too much of. But make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of my declutter series. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and if you guys want to see more. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys have decluttered anything lately, especially primers and setting sprays, or if you found any at like stores that you are loving right now. So thank you guys so much for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.